everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this DIY geode inspired wall art. Today's video is sponsored by Health Warrior. So here we have their superfood protein powder, and we also have their protein mug muffins. I specifically like this brand because it is a plant-based protein. It comes with super simple ingredients, everything that you can pronounce and things that you actually know what they are. I love these plant-based protein mug muffins. They are delicious, and all you have to do is add water, which is the easiest breakfast to make. So I will leave the link down below in the description for this brand in case you are interested in purchasing some of their plant-based protein. Now back to the DIY. As usual, we will first start with everything that you need to make it. First up, you will need a canvas size of your choice, some paint colors of your choice, some clear casting resin, the same amount of cups as paint colors that you will be using, some type of sticks so that you can stir the paint up, and then you will also need a pair of gloves. I will be adding a few little extra things. So I have some gold leaf, some glitter, and then just some little rocks that I got online. So I will be adding all of these to the painting as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is mix up my resin. So it does come with 2 parts. You want to have an equal amount of each in your cup, and once you stir that all up, you want to add a little bit of paint. Now the amount of paint is going to depend on how dark you want it to be. So if you just put a little bit, then it's going to be more opaque, whereas if you put more paint, then it's going to be darker and less opaque. So this all is based on personal preference. You will be able to tell from your mixture how deep the color is. So for the canvas, I did kind of draw out the geo style that I want, just so that I have something to follow. You can skip this step because I did end up erasing them once I noticed you can see the pencil lines through the paint. So as you can see, the first couple lines that I did before I noticed that you can see the lines through it. So I will be going back and adding some detail work on top of that so that you won't be able to see the pencil lines. So now I'm just going to pour the paint kind of in the same motion so that it makes that same crescent shape. Next up, I'm adding some gold leaf to cover up some of the pencil lines that you can see. And then I'm just going to begin adding different paint colors in that same shape so that it gives that geode effect. I took the popsicle stick and tried to kind of mix together the gold and the black just so that it gave it a really nice transition. Once I added all of my layers of paint, I went back and added some really small lines with the paint as well, just to give it a little bit more detail. I just took the paint and squirted it directly onto the painting in the shape that I wanted. I added a few more gold leaf, and then I let it sit for 24 hours. As you can see, some of the paint kind of moved because it was on a slant. If you don't want your paint to move, then I suggest putting it on 100% flat surface. I wanted it to kind of mix and fall off of the canvas into the direction of the rocks. So I ended up really liking how mine turned out. Once it all dried completely, I took a gold Sharpie and went over the pencil lines that you could see at the beginning of the geode. I absolutely love how it looks, and I can't wait to play around with all different colors and styles. Don't forget to check out Health Warrior. The link is down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.